Hello, this is Jasmine Artworks. We are putting together a instructional video on how to do the zigzaggy pattern on the chicken for the Jasmine Artworks pattern. It is not very complicated, but it is easier to explain through video than through words. I've got two alternating colors here. They're both 4 worsted weight yarn and a 4mm hook. I am left-handed, but this pattern does work for both left and righties. You're going to start out with a magic circle, 6 in your magic circle. If you don't know how to do this, go ahead and take a look at some of the other Jasmine Artworks videos. There is one on the magic circle, or any other video on YouTube. I'm sure we'll show you how to do this. You're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around. So right now we've got 12 stitches around on our second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, with your first color, so you've got 12 stitches in your first round. I'm going to pull out half of that very last stitch, and I'm going to finish the stitch with the new color. So I'm going to take the navy here and the new color, and I'm going to finish that last stitch with the navy. Okay, I'm going to pull them snug. And now what you'll want to do to make that zigzag pattern every other stitch as you work around, whether you're increasing or decreasing, every other stitch from the previous row will be regular stitch and then back loop only stitch. So I'm going to be, the pattern calls for 2 single crochets, single crochet, repeat all the way around the circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to 2 single crochet in the first and a single crochet in the back loop only of the next, and then repeat all the way around. So I'll show you how this works. 2 single crochet in the first and a single crochet in the back loop, in the back loop only of the next. 2 single crochet in the next. So we're going to repeat that all the way around. And then a back loop only, single crochet in the next. I'm also carrying the yarn all the way around in my loop. It helps to make it a little bit thicker and a more solid amigurumi. All right, so I'm going to keep going all the way around. 2 single crochet in the next, single crochet in the back loop only, 2 single crochet in the next, single crochet back loop only in that one, single crochet in the next, 2 single crochet in the next, back loop only, 2 single crochet, back loop only in the very last. All right, I am going to finish this stitch off. I'm going to change color. I'm going to drop the blue. I'm going to pick up the green. I'm going to finish this last stitch with the green and pull it tight. Okay, so you can see how it's already kind of zigzagging a little bit in the circle. And I'm going to continue this process of working around, following the pattern, but alternating regular stitch, back loop only, regular stitch, back loop only, as the pattern requires. So this next row is 2 single crochets and then a single crochet, 2 single crochets, single crochet, single crochet, all repeating that all the way around. So your back loop falls on a different spot every time. Again, you're going to be carrying your yarn with you. Okay, you don't need to carry the ends, just carry the yarn at this point, just the next one. So 2 single crochets and then a back loop and then a front loop. And now we're into a back loop again, but this time it's 2 single crochets in this one. Oops. And then a front loop and a back loop. So you see how I followed the pattern front, back, front, back, front, back, even though it's the pattern for double, single, single, double, single, single continues around. So as you're increasing, the pattern you'll follow the pattern exactly, but you will alternate front, back as you go around. I'll meet you on the other side. Okay, so already all the way around, we're going to have 18 total stitches. Again, you're going to finish off your very last stitch with the next color. All right, and then you're going to continue the pattern around as it requires for increasing, which is 2 single crochet, and then a single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, repeating all the way around for a total of 30 stitches. But you're going to alternate every single stitch, a full stitch, back loop only, full stitch, back loop only, as you work your way around. So it'll work like this. Again, also keep carrying your other yarn. 2 single crochets, a single crochet back loop only, single crochet all the way, single crochet back loop only. So you've got 2 single crochets, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, but you're alternating back loop only, full, back loop only, full. Okay, so 2 single crochets, back loop only, back loop only, or regular crochet, and then back loop only. So 2, 1, 1, 1, alternating around. So you're going to keep doing that, alternating all the way around and finishing up the pattern as stated. You're going to also continue this process, increasing steps 1 through 7 until there's 42 stitches all the way around. So this one will be 30, the next one will be 36, and the following one after that will be 42, and we'll get to that point. Okay, so we are now on row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've completed row 7. We've finished off the last stitch with the next color, and now you're going to repeat these rows. Row 8 through 17, single crocheting in each stitch all the way around, but you will continue to alternate regular back loop only, regular back loop only to finish each stitch. So go single crochet, back loop only, single crochet, back loop only. I'm going to repeat that all the way around for 42 stitches, and at the end you always change your color and alternate colors every single row, row 8 through 17, and I'll meet you at the back. Alright, I am currently just finished row 11. You will go all the way up to row 17. It will be a little bit taller when you finish all of your single crochet all the way around rows to 17, but for purpose of lighting and finishing this video, I'm going to start showing you how to decrease with the alternating pattern on this row. So the pattern calls for to single crochet the next 5 and then single crochet 2 together. So you're going to always alternate regular back loop only, regular back loop only all the way across. So we're going to do that for 5 stitches. Regular back loop only, regular back loop only, regular. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 back So the next stitch, that's a single crochet 2 together, will be back loop only. So you're going to stick your hook in the first one, and you're going to stick your hook in the second one of the back loop only of the next 2 stitches. And you're going to finish off a single crochet, crocheting both of those 2 stitches together. You're still in the back loops, but you're finishing off a single crochet 2 together that way. And you're going to continue to do this all the way around. Single crochet, back loop only, all the way around, 5 stitches, and then a single crochet 2 together all the way around. You are going to follow the pattern exactly as written, always alternating single crochet, back loop only, always alternating all the way around, finishing the pattern until it joins at the top. Remember to stuff, and then that will create that cute little body of the chicken with the fun little pattern along the side. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and that you can understand what's being done here. I love this texture. I love how thick it is. There really isn't any holes, and it helps to it makes a really fun little chicken pattern.